ladies and gentlemen, we have a problem. The Magoebaskloof video that was supposed to go live today is no more. So what happened is that someone broke into my car and stole my laptop bag, which had my work laptops. It had my personal filming equipment along with the videos, which was basically the Magoebaskloof video and me driving back. So there was 2 videos that were lost with the DJI equipment. But for now, I don't know, maybe we can just do a quick, I probably have some few footages from my phone and we can just go do a quick cinematic videos with the RS3. And for now, I think that might just be it. We'll see what to post next. I think I have a few ideas, but this is just like to issue like the apology and to say I'm aware that the video was supposed to go live today, but due to the unforeseen circumstances, I can't say much about that, obviously, because it's still being investigated. But once it's cleared out, I'll probably tell you guys more about it. But yeah, bag is gone, laptop is gone, but we still have the RS3, which is great. So let's do some cinematic shots.
Proud of them, shorty have me drip, proud of them, put it on the jet, out of here, 2024, all year, all paramedics, killing them, stepping on their necks, you really him, no leather vest, nigga trim, running up a check, stacking them, yeah, hold on, I caught the top, Balenciaga, put it in their face, been on her, fly to Abu Dhabi, spin around her, shit like a party, I ain't going on, checked by sticks, I feel better, I see this book got a vendetta, I keep a bitch, a pin netter, you ain't seen one color pin better, I spit on the sky, Coretta, pop Percocet.
Hey guys, I know the mic might be bad, but I'm at the south today and I'm at this pantry, first time here, and you know what, look at what's packed next to me, man. A whole Urus, and there's a collab tuning M3 that side. I'll go and show you in a bit, but this place is nice, man. I've never been this side, actually, never been this side. RS3 looking mean as usual. We might do a drive, we'll see how that goes, but yeah, couldn't just leave you guys with that short video. So yeah, let's try and do something today. Oh, what the heck, dog? Guys, I wasn't really familiar with the south, eh? This is me here parked in the grey RS3, and then there's the STO here. And I think that side, there's probably Polo GTR here, and there's a GT3 RS somewhere that side. Let me show you. So all the way there is a GT3 RS. You have collab tuning M3, which is 1,200 horsepower. There's obviously a Jaguar, then there was a Ferrari earlier on, but man, I really wasn't familiar with the south. These guys are moving crazy. Apparently there's an estate here called the Eco, something Eco Estate, and then it has the largest Ferrari collection in Africa, so that's actually crazy. This is the back of the STO. You can see the exhaust. I think it has a custom exhaust. I don't know, maybe it's like that, but everything is just so open here and exposed. And I guess that's like the STO thing, because it's almost like a bare bone car. Like when you look at it from here, everything looks open, man. How do you drive that? Crazy. But just have a look at that, man. That is so beautiful. I thought my car was aggressive, but this thing is something else, man. What the heck? So right here we have collab tuning BMW M3s. Ah, that is so beautiful, man. 1,200 horsepower, man. Oh, what a jam. M3 Julia, bro. This place is something else, you know. I came here for coffee, but I'm like, wait, what is going on here? Bro, what are you guys doing at the south, man? This is a freaking SVJ here and it sounds crazy. Yes. What? This sounds mental, man. Ah. So these are the perks of owning a UFO bull, a Lamborghini. You can park anywhere. This guy probably knows the owner here, but this is an SVJ. You see, it has a 63 stickers, but it's probably not the. It's definitely not the original 63. But look at that, man. That is so clean. Carbon everywhere. This car doesn't weigh anything at all. That is so clean. That is very, very clean. But yeah, guys, that's the South for you. Now, I wasn't familiar with this guy's game, eh? I've never been here, and like the cars I've been seeing this side, actually really crazy. Wow. Okay, SVJ acceleration incoming in 3, 2, 1. Man, and right now we have a Gallardo. Yes, yes. This is a sticker car right there. It's like this should be an M2CS. I see the hood. Yeah, no, this is the M2CS. It's the real one. It's the real thing, man. Okay guys, you're joining me on the way to Cradle Boutique Hotel. This is the current situation here. What's up guys, joining me in another POV drive. Excuse me if the video doesn't look as normal. I don't have my normal recording gear, as you may already know. But we are driving on a very nice back road here. Yeah. There isn't much to say really. The RS3 has been amazing. I really wish we were on Magoebaskloof, man, but anyway, it's fine. It's fine, we'll deal with that later. Today we are enjoying this nice back road. Oh, this thing is so quick. What a road, man, what a drive. So at least, yeah, we stretched it out to be a really nice video at the end of the day. I hope you guys also enjoy it. I'm just gonna put some keys here so they don't make noise. Gotta make sure that they see me here. What a road, man. Such a nice stretch road. So for those who do not know, this is a Audi RS3 8Y. It packs 294 kilowatts and 500 Newton meters of torque. So it's quite a fast boy. It's really quick.
Hold on, I caught the top, Balenciaga. Put it in face, been on her. Fly to Abu Dhabi, spin around her. Shit like a party, I ain't going on her. Tagged by sticks, I feel better. I see this book got a vendetta. I keep a bitch, a vendetta. You ain't seen one color.
We're gonna end the video here. It was a really decent run. Not too shabby. It was planned. I'm like, these two jams, let's go for a quick run. And yeah, so now it's just gonna be a quick drive home. That is loud. But yeah, okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. I still owe you guys a Magoebaskloof video with this car, so trust you me, it's gonna come. I'm gonna make sure that we have the Magoebaskloof drive. I'm gonna try to get the gear again, but yeah, for now we are back to iPhone filming. Cheers guys.